I stood here in front of you a year ago and declared that you, my Abrahamic brothers and sisters, are not alone. And today I'm here to remind you that there are more of us standing with you than there were on October 7th. What happened on October 7th is against every core tenet of Islam, and it must be condemned by every Muslim and every human being with a moral compass. I want to tell you, my brothers and sisters, how can we support Hamas? This is the charter of Hamas. They say day of judgment will not come about until Muslims fight the Jews. When the Jew will hide behind the stones and trees will say, oh Muslims, oh Abdullah, there is a Jew behind me. Come and kill him. Such hate speech and calls to genocide must be condemned by all decent human beings. I ask those Muslims, my brothers and sisters, who are hating Muslims in Netherlands and on campuses around the US, in New York and Los Angeles and so many other places in this beautiful country of ours, that stop. Stop in the name of Allah. Do not kill and do not hate in the name of Allah, because Allah has chosen the Abrahamic people. The people of Moses, the people of Abraham are sacred to Allah. They are sacred to us. In Surah Al-Ma'idah, in the Quran, Allah says, whoever kills a person, it is as if he has killed all humanity. And whoever saves a person, it is as if he has saved humanity. So do not defy the word of Allah. If you are a Muslim, stand with the Jewish people, because they stood with us after 9/11. They stood with the women, they stood with the blacks, they stood with the Latinos, and they deserve our support. On October 7th, organizations in America called that movement resistance and said the Jews deserved it. No, they did not. No one deserves what happened to the Israelis on October 7th. And let me tell you, brothers and sisters, those who came for the Jews will come for everybody else. But as for my Muslim brothers and sisters, I want you to think who's going to stand with you when they come for you. Let's stand together and ask everyone to stand up and say, bring them all home. Bring the hostages home. And let's all say, Am Israel Chai, and God bless America.